Okay, so this is how you go ahead and program new fobs for the C6. I'm just going to switch the camera around. Take your keys. That's the old one. That's the new one. Put them in the cup holder. And then you're going to take your spare key and back to the trunk access. You're going to go ahead and put the key in there. Turn it 5 times. Then you're going to open the glove box. Once the glove box is open, you're just going to go ahead and put your fob button side to the passenger in the glove box hole, where you'd put a dead fob at. And then the key fob should be good to go. So if you look back here, now it says ready for key fob number 4. Just go ahead and take number 3 out. Power the car down. And we'll see if it works real quick. So we'll go ahead and hit the door locks. Door's locked. Unlocked. And then we'll hit the trunk button. So there it is. If you guys want to go ahead and program a new key, that's how you do it. I will leave the link to this key that I got. Super cheap fob. It was like 25 bucks. And I'll leave the link, like I said, below. But that's kind of how you do it. The one thing I didn't mention is the trunk has to be open when you're programming before you do the 5 turns. That's what I've heard. So I just made sure that my trunk was open and that my glove box was open before I started the procedure. And I think this key will actually come with a blank. So you don't have to buy a blank. I went and bought a blank key before because I didn't think that this remote was going to come with one. But luckily it did. And it looks like it's going to be the same style. I was just worried if it would fit or not, but I'm gonna go try to get this one cut now. And if it works, I will leave like a little comment right here that it works, so you guys don't have to go out and order an extra key. The extra key that I got, which maybe you guys will want to know about, is like a B1904, and I will confirm that part number as well. I have it saved on my phone, but you might just want to pick up an extra one of those just in case to have one. It was like $3 at the hardware store. But thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends if this is helpful. But thanks again, guys. Have a blessed day.